The most important general aspect of city government, from my point of view, is how you can have an effective city democracy when the political competition within a lot of large cities is minimal. So the voting turnout tends to be minimal. How do you have a democracy where people don't show up? Usually voters are mobilized by a good fight between angry political parties. That doesn't happen in New York City, except at the mayoral level. So the question is whether they can devise other institutions to be a substitute for what would be partisan competition in, say, Congress. And that's an ongoing research problem, not only at the city level but at the state level, in any decentralized system of democratic governance. This zoning problem is a special instance of it. But you have the same thing with budgeting, you have the same thing with negotiating labor agreements. Who's watching the Treasury when you negotiate with, say, the Patrolmen's Benevolent Association? If you don't have competitive political parties, you often don't really have effective oversight of those negotiations. So, can we find something at the city level that will be a substitute for the political competition between Democrats and Republicans that you get, say, in Congress? Well, that's an open question, but it's a question that, at least in specific instances, we can answer affirmatively, that there are institutions that might be able to be a substitute for two-party democracy in one-party cities.